I still go up the stairs by my. Oh hi, and there's another friend of ours. Oh, guys, we've got another friend that is coming. So there's another friend. Say hi, girl. Clarky, that's a Luca with a nice braid. Hello, girl. Hello. Luca wants to go and watch her apple. Let's go. I don't want. Yeah, I don't want. I just want. Okay, we can come and watch the apple. Wait, you guys wait here. I don't know. Wait, where's that lemon? Wait, go get it. Oh, sorry. Me and Gucci were playing in their house. How we wanted to come call you, but then I had to do a lot of stuff. Then after that, we played for a day. Guys, there's gonna be a lot of parts. Because we got almost all of our friends outside. Yeah, and then I pushed you. Okay, close the door, please. So, guys, the rubber band hit my hair. Now this thing is gonna break. Oh, also, me, I don't think tomorrow I'll go to church. Conroy is at a birthday party. Ernest birthday party with his friends. Last time I went to Toluga, then I saw her. You must call me after 11, me and Toluga after 11, because our church closes at 11. My hands are burning. Ow! My shoulder! Yeah, thank you. Okay. You guys must come for another part. We're gonna do part 3. Because it's part 2 now. Bye bye.